iPhone 5, replacing the battery. Just got this stuff in right here. Came with some pretty cool tool set. I got the gold battery, the 2650 mAh. Oh, 2680, even better. Already got it ready. About to put it in there. But see those 4 prongs right there? We ordered the wrong battery for a 5S and it was like 3 prongs, so the 5 was 4 prongs, so we had to order it again. So you make sure that what you're ordering is the right for your phone. Right here as I speak. Okay, 4. You see it? Wait. Bam. Alrighty. I'm out. Show you the aftermath later.